Hi everyone, it's Claire. It's lovely to have you here. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. We are going to make a keyring today. Now I made one of these, I think at the start of when I created my YouTube channel. And this is used daily and it's just like new. So the one I'm going to make today, I just used a normal keyring on that one, with beads on the end. I'm not going to have the beads on the end today because I'm actually using a much thinner thread. But I just want to show you that these beads are really good quality. I mean, there's no scuffs or anything on them, and I use it every day. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I'll link that for you. I currently have a 10% offer on, plus lots of reductions have been made to make room for the Christmas stock. So what am I using? So we've got the acrylic pony beads. It's got a swivel keyring. Opens like this. Got the ruler, scissors. I'm actually using a macrame, my macrame board. You do not need one. You can just use sellotape and stick it to a table. But that's what I'm going to be using to hold it in place to show you. And this is 1mm thickness macrame thread. As I say, everything's available on my website except for these. I've just taken the very last one at the moment. So we are going to measure 45 inches, and I know that sounds an awful lot, but we have got to go in and out of the beads. So we put the two ends together, and then we're going to thread that through here, and then just take this one, put it back through, and there's that one. So I'm just going to pin this here and show you what I do. So I'm going to take the left side and we'll start with red. We thread. I'm going to do 3 red beads, it's up to you. You can do 2, you can do 4, whatever you want. 2, 4, you decide. So then we take the other end and we go back through those beads. Make sure you get all 3 beads and then pull together. Now what you'll find is you'll have to keep adjusting as you go. So we then take the other side, we'll take 3 green. We take the other end back through and then pull. Just keep making sure you pull tightly after each one. Now we'll do the white. If you've got thicker macrame, 1.5, 2, even better. But as I say, this is what I'm working with at the moment, what I have in stock. My 1.5 and 2 are currently sold out. 3 red, if you make jewellery to sell or for gifts, it's never too early for Christmas. I know some people think, why are you doing a Christmas video? And these are popular for craft fairs, stocking fillers. So next we have green. People always say, oh, pony beads are for children. They're not. I think they're really fun. They're really fun. Good to have in the house when the children appear. Children unexpectedly arrive, and they've always got something to do. Something to do at Claire's. Three white. I hope you're all having a good day. Here in Bristol, UK, it's very wet. We've got, I think, 2 days of solid rain. At least it's not really hot, so I'm happy. I don't like the heat. Some red. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. As I say, you know, these are, I mean, it depends where you sell, but I do know someone will sell these for £6.99. They pop it inside a Christmas colour organza bag, and I'm sure Etsy you can command a higher price as well, which obviously you've got to remember to cover your fees. I'm already making and sending out Christmas key rings. So have you been making any Christmas projects, or what are you about to make? Let me know in the comments below, because I love to know what you all do when you're not watching my videos. If you've ever read the book, I watched a film on Netflix where the crawdads sing. Amazing. It was so beautiful. The filming location. The book is even better because it goes more, it's about a girl who lives in the marshlands with an abusive father. She's known as the Marsh Girl. Oh, it was lovely. I had my snuggly PJs on. My fluffy socks, always gotta have fluffy socks. And I'm always looking for recommendations of books to read, things to watch. So if you couldn't recommend anything for me. Let's take this off. Just going to make sure I'm really happy with this, which I am. And we just, at the bottom, we're going to make a knot. I'm just going to use that to bring, before I tie it tightly. Can you see how quick and easy that was to make? If I had the thicker thread, you could do the beads hanging from the bottom, but as I say, I don't have. But these are really, you know, great. Or you could easily put a jump ring on the bottom and a Christmas dangly, a Christmas charm. So I'm just going to cut the end off. And there's our Christmas keyring. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.